Finding the average of a list. How do I find the mean average of a list in Python?
For Python 3.8+, use statistics.fmean for numerical stability with floats. Fast. For Python 3.4+, use statistics.mean for numerical stability with floats. Slower. For older versions of Python 3, use. For Python 2, convert len to a float to get float division.
Use number py.mean.
For Python 3.4+, use mean from the new statistics module to calculate the average.
Why would you use reduce for this when Python has a perfectly cromulent sum function? The float is necessary in Python 2 to force Python to do a floating point division.
Before switching, ask Soluki to play.